Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving find smallest letter greater than target. So we will be given an array of characters that is sorted in a non-decreasing order, which just means that each letter as we go, it will either be equal to or greater lexicographically. And we will have a character called target, and we want to return the smallest character in letters that is lexicographically greater than target. And if no character like that exists, then we will return the first character in the array. So if you look at this example, C is the smallest letter greater than target, so we return C. In this example, F is the smallest letter that is greater than C, so we return F. And in this example, no letters are greater than Z, so we will return X, which is the first character in the array. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So since the array is sorted, we can actually just iterate through the input array, and as soon as we see a letter that is greater than the target letter, then we can return that letter. And if no letters are found that is greater than the target after all iterations, then we'll return the letter at index 0. And the time complexity will be O of n because we need to iterate through the input array, but there's actually a more efficient way to solve it. So let's go over that way right now. So because the array is sorted, we can actually use binary search. So we will first set a left pointer at the beginning of array, and we will set the right pointer at the end of the array. So the beginning of array would be index 0, and the end of the array would be index of the length of the array minus 1. And now we will use binary search to find the smallest letter greater than target. So if the middle letter that we are on is less than or equal to target, then we will set the left pointer to middle minus 1, because if the middle letter is less than or equal to target, then all the letter to the left of it will also be less than or equal. So we will just look to the right of the middle letter. Now, if the letter is greater than target, then we will set the right pointer to middle minus 1, because if the middle letter is greater than target, then all the letter to the right of the middle letter would be greater than the middle letter because the array is already sorted. So we will just look to the left of it. So that's why we set right pointer to middle minus 1, and we will continue the binary search until the left pointer becomes greater than the right pointer. And the left pointer at the very end will always contain the smallest letter that is greater than the target. So we will return the letter at the left pointer at the very end. So let's go over this example real quick. So we see that the middle letter is C. C is less than D, so we will shift the left pointer. Now the middle is 3. 3 is equal to D, and if it's less than or equal to the target, we will still shift the left pointer. So that's what we'll do. Now E is greater than D, so we will shift the right pointer to middle minus 1, which means these two pointers will now meet, and they have met, so the middle letter would be D. D is equal to the target. Since it's less than or equal to, we will shift the left pointer. So now this is a left pointer and this is the right pointer. And since the left pointer is greater than the right pointer, we can return the left pointer as our result, which is letters of index 4, and that would be E. So the time complexity would be O of log n, where n is a number of elements in the array. And since we are using binary search, it would be log n. And the space complexity would be O of 1, because the size of these variables will not depend on the input of the array. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we'll set the left pointer to 0, set the right pointer to the length of letters minus 1. Now if the end of the array is less than or equal to target, then that means the rest of the array will be less than or equal to target, so we can return what is at the beginning of the array. So now we will do the binary search. While left is less than or equal to right, the middle index will always be left plus right divided by 2, and floor division to be specific. Now we want to check if the middle letter is less than or equal to target. If that is the case, we will set the left pointer to middle plus 1. Otherwise, we will set the right pointer to middle minus 1. And finally, we will return the letter on the left index. Let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you all for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.